In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your finances has never been more important. Considering the increased cost of living and uncertainty of the economic cycles, it is imperative to ensure that technology is used to manage money well. Money-saving apps are transforming the way people budget, save, and invest. From auto savings to intelligent spending, these applications assist people in making changes to improve their financial well. Here's a list of the most popular money-saving apps you should have in 2024 to make your money management easier and increase your savings. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as we are looking into Top 10 Money-Saving Apps You Need in 2024. 1. Plum. Plum is a top-rated savings app in the UK that automates your savings and helps you reach your financial goals more efficiently. With its smart algorithm, Plum analyzes your income and expenses to ensure intelligent saving and offers various saving modes like roundups, weekly depositor, 52-week challenge, rainy days, paydays, naughty rule, and the 1p challenge to help you deposit more effectively. Security and privacy are paramount with Plum, which employs face and fingerprint ID and 256-bit TLS encryption. The app provides outstanding customer support with a dedicated team available 7 days a week. Plum is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and offers tiered interest rates for Premium, Pro, Ultra, and Basic subscribers, with some requiring a subscription. 2. Chip. Chip is an automatic savings app that empowers you to save money in two ways: automatic savings powered by AI and recurring saves. Automatic savings lets Chip identify idle money or spare change in your bank account and save it for you automatically. Recurring saves is similar to a direct debit or a regular savings plan, where you instruct the app to save the same amount of money regularly. Chip offers two main types of savings accounts: an instant access savings account and a prize savings account. With the instant access savings account, you can earn competitive interest rates on your savings. The interest is paid monthly, and you can start saving with as little as $1. The prize savings account is similar to a premium bond, where you do not earn any interest on your savings, but stand a chance to win prizes in monthly draws. The Chip app is free to download on Android and iOS. All Chip savings accounts are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. 3. Monzo. Monzo is a leading digital bank in the UK that simplifies the process of saving, helping you achieve your financial goals more efficiently. With Monzo savings pots, you can earn interest, customize pot images, automate savings, and round up spare change, all while enjoying the protection of a fully regulated UK bank. Creating an easy access savings pot with Monzo requires a 10 minimum deposit, offering variable interest rates perfect for short-term savings goals, such as holidays or a new bike. You can access your savings instantly anytime you need, with interest paid monthly. Additionally, Monzo allows you to enable roundups, which automatically round up transactions to the nearest pound and add the change to your savings pot. Automated savings features also help you build a consistent saving habit by putting money aside every time you spend. Monzo stands out as one of the best money-saving apps in the UK. 4. Moneybox. Moneybox is a highly recommended savings app in the UK that simplifies your savings journey and helps you reach your financial goals more efficiently. With its cash ISA, you can earn impressive variable interest rates and access your money up to 3 times a year without impacting your rate. Withdrawals are available on the next working day, limited to 1 per calendar month, providing a great balance between saving and flexibility. One of Moneybox's standout features is the Roundup, which allows you to save spare change by rounding up your card transactions to the nearest pound and saving the difference. For example, if you spend $2.30 on a coffee, Moneybox automatically saves 70p for you, making it easy to save without even thinking about it. 5. Kroo. Kroo is a new digital bank offering an award-winning current account with impressive interests. The account is free to open and with 0 fees on spending abroad and a UK-based customer support team. Kroo ensures a hassle-free banking experience. The Kroo app features intuitive spending, real-time spending insights, transaction categorization, up-to-date notifications, spare change roundups, and the ability to manage bill splitting and group expenses seamlessly in-app, providing users with comprehensive financial management. The account comes with no monthly fees, and applying for an overdraft is possible by invitation only. For added security, Kroo offers biometric authentication, 256-bit encryption, and FSCS deposit protections. Users can also freeze and unfreeze their Kroo debit cards instantly within the app. 6. Emma. In a bid to cut your spending and make the most of the money you have, Emma is an app that links to bank accounts and other financial products, analyzing the information to make suggestions on wasteful subscriptions you could cut. The standard free version of Emma lets you connect up 2 bank accounts, and it will categorize your spending. You'll get spending notifications and can set up Emma pots for budgeting and earn interest on these. 7. Snoop. Launched in April 2020, Snoop uses artificial intelligence to help consumers make the most of their money. Once downloaded, you link your bank and credit card accounts to the app. The app can then highlight how much you are spending on particular items, such as food and transport, and will also let you know whether your regular bill payments are rising or falling over time. The aim is that the app does the hard work for you to save you money. It will also provide useful tips such as letting you know the best time to renew your car and home insurance and reminding you to buy travel insurance when you book a trip. 8. Quidco. A money-saving app offering cashback and discount vouchers on online and in-store purchases. As you shop via the app, you can earn cashback on your purchases on anything from energy deals to clothes and many other items. You can also register your debit or credit card on the app to earn cashback in-store. And if you want to, you can swap any cashback you earn for Argos or M&S vouchers, for example. Quidco also offers a Click Snap facility, which enables you to save on your supermarket shopping by getting cash back on groceries. You browse the items offered, which change regularly, and purchase them at the relevant supermarket. You then activate the offer on your account and upload a picture of your receipt showing your purchase. Cash back is then paid into your Quidco account as normal. 9. Hyperjar. Hyperjar is a bit different from other budgeting apps, as it includes a prepaid card. The idea is to load your money onto the card and then allocate it into different digital jars on the app. You can label these jars according to your spending habits, such as groceries and transport. You can auto-link individual shops to the jars, so the money comes out of your jar automatically. For example, if you link Sainsbury's or Aldi to your grocery jar, money would automatically be taken from this jar when you shop in these stores. You can earn interest on your money if you commit to spending with certain brands. Participating retailers change fairly regularly, and cashback is given on gift cards. 10. Monese. With Monese, you can create up to 10 money pots in multiple currencies, name them according to your specific goals, and access your funds whenever needed. Monese also enables you to build your savings faster with features like recurring payments and transaction roundups, which can be multiplied by up to 10. Through its partnership with Raisin, Monese also provides interest-bearing savings products with FSCS protection, allowing you to grow your money more quickly. The user-friendly Monese app, available in 14 languages and supported by a multilingual team, makes managing your savings effortless. Opening a Monese account requires just your ID and a selfie photo. For couples looking to plan, save, and manage their finances together, Monese offers joint accounts, allowing both partners to create and track up to 10 money pots for shared goals. That concludes today's video. If you have any comments or ideas to add, please use the comments section below. For more financial content, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get notified of any new video we will be posting soon. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.